Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Let's say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. One more time, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Sabaw na dito ang ating happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan po, on behalf of John, Louis Guy, Mr. Calvin Price, happy birthday po Sir Junie, and wish mo muna.
Make a wish!
Make a wish!
Take up some flow.
Ayan po na po yung birthday celebrant Sir Junie.
Wish ni Kuya sa
Happy birthday to Junie. Happy birthday, happy birthday. People are racing, their expectations. No one can list your hesitation to raise you, baby. You wave the wave and you think you can turn it on. When you get to the head, turn it up and some. We couldn't have it all. Won't we get to choose to be that's the reason I'm supposed to come. Your world is like the sun that lights up my world. I need to walk inside out. Your world is like the river that flows down to my heart. I need to inside out.
Mas paborito ko ang halo-halo dito. Kasi nilagyan kasi ng ano yan. Ayan yun.
Ano ang pangalan sa Susani? Hey guys, bumisita din kayo sa Gilang Restaurant, Papaylan. Wow, ay mga chef natin sa Gilang. Diyan sa may ano, sa may Urubang. Diyan lang Villa Thai Restaurant. Mga pintada natin mga chef.
Mga chef sila? Oo. Mga kababayan natin.